So let's talk about Toshi real quick. Now, the current price of Toshi is seated at 0.00053. We are left with 3 hours and 11 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. Now, what did I told you guys in the previous video? I told you, I specifically drew your attention to this bearish order block, and I said it, I categorically stated it several times that we are going to get a rejection from here each time Toshi approaches this bearish order block, which is what has happened several times. I think we've made like 3 significant attempts. Right now, we need to approach this bearish order block with enough trading volume in order to invalidate it, you get, to begin to like continue to the upside. Now, before I proceed, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, if you're here to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Like this video if you haven't already. If you're paying attention, the trading volume for Toshi coin is up 93% in the last 24 hours. We are currently seated at $21.2 million in trading volume across exchanges, which is massive. And it has also have a healthy recovery to the upside after consolidating for, I think, several hours. So we are now getting that rejection after properly tapping into this bearish order block. I think we might have taken out all the orders there, if I'm not mistaken. We are now like retracing, which we are likely to get a reversal soon because we are approaching another zone around 0.00053. I think we are likely to get a reversal from there. If we fail to get a reversal, then we should get the reversal from 0.00051. So it's still close, 0.00051, 0.00053. That zone, anything around this zone is still an entry zone, if you ask me, you get. So yeah, even if we should retrace this 4-hour candle like fully, we should still get the bounce from 0.00051. So that is that for Toshi coin. And the moment we are taking out this bearish order block, flipping it into a support, expect Toshi to tap into 0.00063, you understand, respectively. And in the long run, the current market cap is seated at $219 million. In the long run, we should begin to expect a $2.1 billion market cap for the price of Toshi coin, which is going to take the market cap to around, which is going to take the return on your investment to over 10x, you understand. So I was privileged to have jumped and bought into Toshi way back in 2023. I think I entered around $1.4 million in market cap when Toshi was still around $1.4 million. I was also privileged to jump on Mochi when it was around 300k, right? If I'm not mistaken, 300k or 400k thereabout. So I sold some bag and I'm still holding some. I'm holding Toshi onto $5 billion market cap. So that's just it, you understand. So in a full-blown altcoin season, considering Toshi to be the OG of the base network, you understand, more like the #1 meme coin on the base network. It is debatable, by the way, but I see Toshi as the #1. It is the #1, not I see Toshi. I think Toshi and Mochi are the OGs of base network, for those that still remember way back when base network came into existence in 2023. So these guys are going to really perform by the time we enter into a full-blown altcoin season. If you're paying attention, the current entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is seated at 52%, which is indicating neutral. Altcoin season indicator is still sitting at 28%. We need to see it increase to 50, 100% and stay there for weeks, you understand, in order for our altcoins to like rally hard, very hard. Now, if you're paying attention to the BTC dominance on the 4-hour time frame, I think I drew you guys attention to this BTC dominance in our last video, and I told you, from the look of things, the BTC dominance is trying to retrace, and we should be expecting it to retrace to around what zone did it draw? To around 6.45%. So the BTC dominance retraced to, I think, close to the 6.45% we talked about. It dropped all the way to 6.46%. Remember, the prediction was for the BTC dominance to drop to 6.45%, but it dropped to 6.46% and got a slight pump to the upside. Now, let's just pray. I just pray it loses this area we are expecting it to drop to. It's likely to get a bounce from there, by the way, but I want it to lose, because the moment the BTC dominance start correcting, retracing aggressively, and you see the BTC price pumping, that is a clear sign that altcoins are going to explode. By the way, let's even talk about the BTC price real quick on the 4-hour time frame. This our long limit order is still kind of valid, you understand? So anytime the price of BTC tapped into this POI zone, we are going to get a trigger buy, you understand, to the upside. The signal is still valid. So the BTC price is aggressively retracing. The current price is seated at $110,612. We are left with 3 hours and 4 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. Now it has retraced. I think it's trying to retrace this huge 4-hour candle pump it had few hours ago. So I'm expecting it to like get a reversal pump from around $10,000 and from around $110,000 and also $109,722. So this zone is likely to be a reversal zone for the BTC price to pump to the upside. You understand? In my own opinion, I might be wrong, but that is where I'll be looking to like take a long entry. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. If you're paying attention to the others chart, we've talked about this chart countless times as well, and I notice most of you are enjoying the others chart I brought to your attention recently on this channel. Now the others chart is the entire cryptocurrency market cap excluding top 10 or excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. And the others chart market cap is currently seated at $243 billion. Now, this is the weekly time frame. The last time this pattern formed, when we broke out, flipped it into a support, we got a massive rally in over 5 weeks, non-stop pump on the altcoins. The good thing is we've broken out of the the trend line, flipped it into a support. So sooner or later, we are going to get that huge, monstrous pump to the upside. Now, I think this pump might align with the altcoin season we all have been waiting for this time around. So by the time we start getting this pump, then we should expect to take out this previous high, which is around $491 billion, which was the previous high in 2021 November. You understand, in the last bull market cycle. And considering the institutional adoption, the global adoption of cryptocurrencies this time around, I think the pump is going to be very, 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 very aggressive this time around, thereby taking out this high, flip it into a support, tap into $600 billion, $700 billion in market cap for the others chart. Now, the truth of the matter is we might even go all the way to $1 trillion and even maybe above. You never can tell. So this is the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame. We are currently seated at 64.78%. We are left with 22 days and 3 hours until this current monthly candle closes. I think the monthly candle is now retracing gradually after being stable since the month of July began. It is now retracing. You understand? We need to see it retrace aggressively to the downside in order to welcome ourselves into a full-blown altcoin season. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominant retrace aggressively to the downside and you see BTC price pumping, then altcoins are definitely going to explode. But when you see the BTC dominant retracing and you see BTC price consolidating, then altcoins are going to have a relief pump, a relief rally. But if the BTC dominance is going upward, pumping, and BTC price is either dropping or pumping, then altcoins are going to bleed. They are going to dump. We need to see a massive retracement. By the time the retracement happens to around 47%, I'm going to be selling majority of my portfolio, taking massive profit off, because by then the entire market should be in a monstrous mode then. That's that for that. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. If you're yet to like this video, smash the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Peace out.